So, does Lunar operate in Sweden? The short answer is yes. Lunar, a digital-first Nordic bank, has a significant and growing presence in Sweden. They offer a range of financial services to both individuals and businesses. Sweden. What services does Lunar offer in Sweden? Lunar's business model is built around its mobile app, providing users with a comprehensive set of digital financial tools. In Sweden, their offerings include personal and business accounts. You can open an account, manage your daily finances, and get a digital Visa card. Savings and investments. Lunar provides savings accounts with competitive interest rates and a platform for investing in stocks, funds, and ETFs directly from the app. They've seen considerable growth in this area in Sweden. Payment services. Lunar has integrated with Swish, which is the most widely used payment method in Sweden. This allows users to send and receive money seamlessly. Other digital features. The app includes tools for budgeting, expense tracking, and even provides a personal AI assistant to help you manage your money smarter. Is Lunar a traditional bank? No, Lunar is not a traditional bank with physical branches. It's a 100% digital bank with a focus on providing a seamless, app-based experience. All customer support and services are handled through the app, email, or phone. This digital-first approach allows them to operate more efficiently and offer user-friendly features that appeal to a modern audience. They have their own banking license, which means your money is secure and protected by the Danish Guarantee Fund up to 100,000 euros. Locked. A growing presence in the Nordics. Lunar was founded in Denmark, and its success there has led to its expansion throughout the Nordic region, including Sweden and Norway. The company has a local presence with an office in Stockholm, and its goal is to establish itself as the go-to investment and banking app for people who want simple, smart financial solutions. They're actively challenging traditional Swedish banks by offering easy-to-use services and transparent pricing, which has helped them quickly grow their user base.